Namaste students, welcome to our social class. In the previous class, we learnt about the harvest festivals. Yes, we are learning block 10, festivals of India. Okay, festivals of India. First we learned the religious festivals of India. Then we learned the harvest festivals of India. Okay, in religious festivals we learnt about Diwali, Eid, okay, Eid ul-Fitr, Diwali, Christmas and Guru Parv. In harvest festivals we learnt about Pongal and Bihu. We know what are harvest festivals, why they are celebrated. Harvest festivals are celebrated to worship nature and to thank nature for the gifts nature is giving to us. Okay, for the bumper crops which the farmers get. So harvest festivals are celebrated to thank the nature. We also learnt about two festivals, Pongal and Bihu. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, Bihu is celebrated in Assam. So on Pongal, people in Tamil Nadu, they offer cooked rice to the sun god and worship him. On Bihu, people greet each other, sing and dance and gift each other a piece of cloth called gamosa. Pongal is celebrated in the month of January while Bihu is celebrated in the month of April. So that was about the harvest festival, students. Today we have another topic. We all know that in our school, on some days, the flag is hoisted. Children are given biscuit packets, cool drinks, chocolates on these days. Our chief guest comes and our principal sir and many others give speech on these occasions. What are these? We don't have classes on that day. Just we come to school, we sing our national anthem. Okay. So what are these? These are also festivals. Okay. On 15th August and January 26th. August 15th is Independence Day. Okay. 15th of August is celebrated every year as Independence Day and 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Right, students? So today's topic is National Festivals of India. What are national festivals? How they are celebrated? On what days are they celebrated? That is the topic for today. Very interesting topic, right? So let us go ahead and learn about this. Right, students? So national festivals. The first national festival that we are learning today is about the Republic Day. Okay. So like how we have learnt about the harvest festivals. Okay, Pongal and Bihu, when they are celebrated, how they are celebrated. Okay, who celebrate these festivals, like that only. We'll learn about national festivals also. The same box I have drawn on the board. All of you look at the board. I'll explain. Name of the festival, Republic Day. Okay, you can copy this in your classwork also so that this information is ready with you and you can remember this. Name of the festival, Republic Day. When is it celebrated? This is a box which has 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows are there. So we'll learn when is Republic Day celebrated, why is Republic Day celebrated, and how is Republic Day celebrated. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about when the Republic Day is celebrated. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Okay, every year on 26th January it is a national festival. It is celebrated as Republic Day. Okay, when is Republic Day celebrated? on 26th January every year. Okay. Why is it celebrated? Why is it celebrated? On this day, in the year 1950, on this day, okay, on 26th January, in the year 1950, our constitution came into action. Okay, on this day, in the year, now it is 2020 year, right? In the year 1950, our constitution came into action. What is constitution? Okay, see, for example, I'll tell you. We go to school. Okay, now it is Corona season. That is the reason we are staying at home. But otherwise, we would have been in school. When we were in school, we used to follow a school diary. Okay, everyone used to have a school diary in which we used to have the calendar, we used to have the holidays, we used to have the timetable, we used to have the homework list, and we used to have the fees information. We used to have so many things in the diary. Okay, every student needs the school diary, our school diary, BBBB diary, so that we can know the school rules. Okay, it is very clearly written in our school diary that when a student should come, when is the lunch bell, if anyone has a health problem, where they should approach and what should be done. Okay, and what are the rules for the students, what are the rules for the teachers, everything is mentioned in the school diary. School diary is very important for us, na? For students. Exactly like that only, Constitution is also a book of rules. Constitution is a very big book of laws. How the diary, school diary helps the students if they don't understand anything, how they refer to the diary and find out when is the holiday, when are the exams, when is the test timetable. Exactly like that only, Constitution is also a big book of rules and laws. See, school diary students are using, but the Constitution book, all Indians, all the people of our country refer to this big book of rules called Constitution. Okay, so we started using this book from 26th January 1950, this year. In the year 1950, on 26th January, we started this big book, using this big book. Okay, it came into action, it was ready. After so much struggle, many people tried to make this book. So, it came into action from this day. Okay, 26th January 1950, our Constitution came into action. That is the reason why we celebrate it as Republic Day. Okay, if anyone asks you why do we celebrate Republic Day, you should say that our Constitution came into action on this day in the year 1950. That's why we celebrate. Right, students? Now, how is it celebrated? How is it? How do we celebrate Republic Day? Yes, in our schools we celebrate, in our neighborhood also some local leaders come and they hoist the flag. That is different. But let us know how our main ministers, okay, the Prime Minister of our country, okay, he hoists the flag, okay, in Delhi. And a parade is organized. Okay. Every year a parade is organized from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Okay, on Republic Day, every year a parade is organized from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. What is parade? Parade means people display their discipline, people display their development, their culture. Okay, people from different states. Okay, India has so many states, right? So from every state, people represent their culture. Okay, what is their tradition, what is their culture, in which fields did they develop a lot, they show that. And march past also they do it. Okay, very in a disciplined manner. Okay, this is called as parade. Okay, so a parade is organized in New Delhi, and the parade from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. and from people from all the states of India come there to display their beauty, their culture, their developments there. Right, students? So this was it. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. When is it celebrated? On 26th January. Why is it celebrated? Our constitution came into being. How is it celebrated? A parade is organized in New Delhi. Okay, and also in our schools also we celebrate it in the same manner. We hoist the flag. We have students do the parade. People give speeches on this day. That is how the Republic Day is celebrated. Now let us learn about the next national festival, students. The next national festival that we are going to learn now is name of the festival Independence Day. Learn the spelling Independence. Name of the festival Independence Day. Once again we'll learn when is Independence Day celebrated, why is it celebrated, how is it celebrated. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. In the month of August, on 15th, every year we celebrate Independence Day. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? In the year 1947, now it is the year 2020, long back, in the year 1947, India became independent. Okay, India became a free country. People enjoyed freedom. They started enjoying freedom, right? India became independent on this day in the year 1947. That's why we celebrate Independence Day. How do we celebrate it? The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag and gives speech. Okay, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag and sings Jana Gana Mana Adinayaka. Okay, the Prime Minister and all Indians also, they sing the national song and the Prime Minister gives speech on that day, which is very important message to people of India. That was about Independence Day. Now the next national festival we'll learn, right? Now the next national festival. The name of the festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Jayanti means birthday. Okay, name of the festival Gandhi Jayanti. This is the third national festival that we are learning in today's class. Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. He has done a lot for our country to bring freedom for our country. Okay, he gave us the gift of the freedom to Indians. That is the reason he is called as father of nation. Okay, and how do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Okay, people visit Rajghat. People visit Rajghat. What is Rajghat? The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, the remains of Mahatma Gandhi are at the Rajghat in the Samadhi. That's why people go to offer their tributes, okay, to Mahatma Gandhi. This is the third national festival. So, this lesson was all about festivals, my dear students. We learnt about the religious festivals, we learnt about the harvest festivals, we learnt about the national festivals, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, and now we'll discuss the question answers at the back of the lesson, and after that we'll go for homework. Okay, we have the meanings. Celebrate means to enjoy a special day. Constitution, principles and rules to govern a country. Gamosa, a hand-woven cotton towel used in Assam. Harvest, when reaped crops are gathered. Now for the exercises behind at the back of the lesson, students, fill in the blanks with the name of the festival. Dash is also known as Festival of Lights. Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. People in Tamil Nadu offer rice and thank the sun god during Pongal. Okay, Pongal. C, fill the blank, third one. March past is an important part of Dash celebration. Okay, Republic Day celebration. Santa Claus is related to Christmas. Answer in two, three sentences. How do we celebrate Eid? Okay, Eid is celebrated at the end of the month of Ramadan. Men go to mosque to offer the prayers, while women offer the prayers at home. People greet each other, they embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. And friends, families and friends enjoy special food that is about Eid, right? And many people buy new clothes on that day. How do we celebrate Guru Purab? Okay, same like Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab. On this day, people decorate their home. They offer their prayers at the place of worship, that is Gurudwara, and they decorate their house, and a special kind of prasad is distributed, that is Kara Prasad. Now, how do we celebrate Diwali? Now, Diwali on November 15th, no? You should tell me how we celebrate, okay? On the day of Diwali, we light clay lamps called diyas, and we do Lakshmi Puja. People wear new clothes, and lot of happiness, sweets and special dishes are enjoyed. And try this Diwali not to play with crackers, okay? It causes lot of pollution, already lot of health problems in our areas, okay? People are suffering with many health problems. Crackers cause lot of pollution, better. So try to avoid crackers. How do we celebrate Christmas? On the day of Christmas, Christmas is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate the Christmas tree, they decorate their homes, they go to church and attend the mass, this prayer, they sing the Christmas carols, Santa Claus comes and distributes gifts, pudding, cake are enjoyed on this day. Okay, remaining question answers I'll send you in the group. That's all for today, students, and now for today's homework. Now for today's homework, students, today's home assignment, workbook, finish S4, notebook, answer practice question 7. Where is this practice question 7? If you open your textbook to page number 68, open your textbook to page number 68, all the questions are there at the back of the lesson. So from that questions, you answer practice question 7 in your notebook. Okay, copy the question from page number 68 and write the answer in your notebook. That's all for today, students. Hope you have enjoyed the festivals of India and do enjoy the next festival, Diwali. All the best.